Hi, I'm Rob from Skydemon, and here's another top tip.
One of the optional columns that can be enabled in your pilot log from the settings screen is Airspace Above. You'll see it here in the pilot's log as AA next to the minimum safe altitude column. This column is designed to tell you how much margin you have for climbing on each leg based on the lowest airspace above your planned level. In this simple route, I have all my legs planned at 1700 feet underneath Solent CTA. Here in the virtual radar we see my first leg practically has no ceiling, second and third legs I must stay below 2000 feet, and for the fourth leg I must stay below 3500. We can see these values clearly laid out in the pilot's log here in the Airspace Above column. If you plan to fly through some airspace, then Airspace Above will look for the next airspace above, just like it sounds. For example, if I raise the planned level of my fourth leg up to around 4000 feet, we're now climbing up into the Solent CTA, and the new airspace above that is Portsmouth CTA, which starts at flight level 55. Checking the pilot's log again shows the Airspace Above column has been updated accordingly. If you plan a leg that lies exactly on a vertical airspace boundary, Skydemon will assume you did not mean to do that, and the column will be highlighted in red as a warning.
For more information, check out our website www.skydemon.aero.